As someone just getting into videography, I've started a mini collection of USB drives, SD cards, and micro SD cards. But they're always scattered and I seem to never find the one I'm looking for right away. So I 3D printed a small organizer I found on Printables, and now I have easy access to all my memory cards and my desk is so much more organized. It's simple, but I think it works. Comment below on what you think and if you would want one of these. I hope this inspires you to think about how 3D printing can improve your life, and consider subscribing to my channel for more 3D printing projects and ideas. Thanks for watching!